Welcome to this virtual Blue and Gold Day. Thanks for your interest in LaSalle and the English department. I'm Brian Narendorf. I am the chair of English. So I want to start out and I want to share my screen with you so that I can show you a couple of things. This is the course catalog page for the department. And you have my contact information here. So narendorf@lasalle.edu. If you have any additional questions about the major, about English, um, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm happy to chat. I'm happy to schedule a video conference. We can communicate by email too, whenever works. But I want you to know that that I'm happy to speak further with you about the department, about the major, about LaSalle. And so that information is here. I think the other thing I would point you to, and you follow it just by clicking on the link on the major, but I have the page open here. As you can see, what the major kind of looks like. A lot of information. Some of it, much of the catalog is really designed for students once they're already at LaSalle, but you can at least get kind of a sense of what the major looks like. You can look both as a single major, as a double major. You can also see descriptions of all of the courses that we offer. The major at its heart is a literature major, but then it gives you room to do other things. And I would say that that's one of the strengths of the department or the major, is that it's pretty flexible, right? The core is literature, absolutely. But then in the context of English studies, particularly as you move into kind of upper division courses, you have the opportunity to do other things. You have the opportunity to do other kinds of writing, particularly creative writing, professional writing, writing for the web, writing for business, some advanced, maybe different kinds of academic writing. Those kinds of things are all available to you. And so English does, as a major, sort of give you some space to figure out what you want to do. I think the other thing about English, or the other thing in terms of sort of English's flexibility, is that we pair well with many other majors. If you come to LaSalle, you decide to double major English, reduces the number of courses required for people who are double majoring. And so we are purposefully making that decision to make it easier for you to double major. And I think that English is a natural adjunct for, clearly other humanities, other sort of majors where you read texts. But I think it's also it's a good pairing with professional or pre-professional, kind of professionally inflected majors, whether that's something in the School of Business or that's comm or something like that. My elevator pitch for English is always, if you can read Milton, you can read case law, right? If you can read the hardest stuff that English has to offer, and understand it and be able to make arguments about it, right? To write papers that make arguments about those kinds of texts, then you're going to be able to handle whatever kind of reading and writing you have to do beyond college. Whether that's writing legal briefs or other kinds of technical, documents. English is going to help prepare you to do those things. English is a major for those who read and write, and really that's all of us, right? And so the more different kinds of things you read, the more complicated things you read, the things that you read that are farther away from yourself, whether that's sort of gender or time or sort of a different part of the world, right? Those things make you a stronger, better reader. And, I would maintain that prepares you for the world beyond college as well. But you major in English because you like the things we do. You like that reading. You like that writing. You want to get better at it. And then that you can take those things with you sort of as you move beyond college. So that's it, right? That's the quick pitch. If you can read Milton, you can read case law, right? Even if it's not Milton, even if it's not case law, I think that that kind of idea still adheres. Um, Thanks for taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and we can communicate further about English at LaSalle. Good luck making your decision in this time. I know that things are crazy. I know that this is maybe not what you hoped for in the second semester of your senior year, clearly, but we'll get through it. Stay safe. And again, thank you.